All right, guys, from blue corner, we have Naveen Kumar.
And we have Naveen Kumar entering the cage now from the blue corner. And the first fight was pretty great. We're moving on to the second fight in the featherweight division.
नहीं बोलना है पूछ क्या है नहीं बोलना है Alright guys, here we go for bout number 2, Santosh Kumar versus Naveen Kumar.
A beautiful start. Both the we can see Santosh already switching his stance and trying to land the inside leg kick, and he successfully landed the inside leg kick. But here, Naveen is constantly moving forward and putting the pressure on. But Santosh is constantly engaging his footwork and keeping his feet active and opening his leg kicks.
Santosh definitely the one to open with high energy, whereas Naveen is being calmer and more calculative in his approach.
A beautiful left hook by Santosh. And beautiful cross as well. Naveen needs to answer it back. A good pressure by Santosh here in the first round. And clean punches by Santosh as well.
Yes. What was that?
Santosh is moving very calculatively forward. He's very calculative. He's understanding the range, throwing the level, looking at the right time, and opening his punches at the right time. Naveen needs to answer them back. He's trying to open with jabs, but Naveen needs some more work behind him.
Oh, beautiful
Good
spinning
attempt,
kick
spinning
by
back kick.
Santosh.
Let's see if we can keep the pace. You don't want to get gassed out at throwing at the pace, but a beautiful cross by Santosh.
And a beautiful
Naveen is
adjustment.
right in front of him. He needs to throw him. He should not just extend the hands. Put pressure. Naveen should put pressure.
Naveen is pretty much not throwing back at all.
Naveen needs to counter those low kicks. Naveen needs to put forward and start working on those punches. He cannot. I mean, when you speak of punches, Santosh is throwing to kill here. Santosh is throwing bombs, but
Yeah.
Naveen is just touching him. He's trying to touch him.
Yeah.
That cannot work long way. Naveen needs to gain Santosh's respect, so he needs to open it up. He needs to open those punches.
We're seeing very, very less activity from Naveen here. Oh, but he does land a clean cross on Santosh.
Like the last 10 seconds, there was a good cross by Naveen actually. But when you speak out overall, I think Santosh has taken this round.
Yeah.
If you are, I don't bother.
So that's all right. It's very similar. But in this case, so different microphones are different kinds of pickup pattern. So I think if it is here.
It'll come green.
That's all right. So different microphones are different sensitivity. So this one, what happens is it will pick up to like 1.5% in front of you. Right. So even if you are here and you're here, it will still pick it up. So you should do it here. So up it doesn't pick it up. But here we go for round number 2. Santosh versus Naveen.
I'm like good footwork by Santosh should say. He's constantly on his footwork, not staying in front of Naveen. You don't know where he's standing target. Oh, a beautiful cross by Santosh,
we are
and now
seeing
Naveen is
more-
throwing back. This is how it should be. I think Naveen is picking the pace now. But Santosh is getting clearer shots of those exchanges. But both the fighters are constantly exchanging.
We are seeing drastically more activity from Naveen in this round.
Naveen is pressing forward now, but they're trying to flurry of punches. Both are doing flurry of punches. They're trying to exchange, but clear shots. Both of them are getting clear shots as if now. Naveen realized that he needs to pick the pace because the first round did not go in his way, but he is trying to put up a show here at the second round. He's pressing forward.
Once again we see Santosh going on the offensive.
Beautiful jab by Santosh, but Naveen answered it by right back. A beautiful left hook by Santosh as well. Naveen need to be more confident on his punches. That way he clearly get a clear shot out of them. A beautiful cross by Naveen now. Naveen is pressing forward. Beautiful cross landed again by Santosh. Good punches, good volume of punches have been exchanged by both the fighters. Front kick attempted by Santosh, but a beautiful cross landed by Naveen. Naveen has a really good cross. Last 10 seconds.
Why is the ref separating them?
So basically, someone should not turn them back.
Okay. Round 3. Let's say first round went to Santosh, but second round was good. Both the fighters had good movements. Now let's go for the third round, which may be a decisive round.
Good number of punches. Both the fighters have been exchanging. Over an attempt by Santosh, but Naveen ducked under it. Now this overhand has been connected clearly. They're running to each other's punches. I think when it comes to leg kicks, I think Santosh has done decent amount of work compared to in round 1 and round 2 on those low kicks. But here Naveen is constantly using his jab. He's pacing up, but I think it's too late. But Naveen can still get it done if he can get some clear damage. A good low kick by Naveen here now.
Naveen kind of has a very unsettling state of calm on his face, whereas Santosh looks aggressive.
Another beautiful left hook by Santosh and beautiful body kick by another one by Santosh. Another beautiful overhand by Santosh. Beautiful overhand by Santosh.
Okay, Santosh looks
I
tired.
think- Beautiful exchange of punches both the
I
fighters.
mean, in terms of just pure volume, Santosh clearly takes it away.
Beautiful overhand again by Santosh here. Very good fight. Both of the fighters seem to be exhausted, but still they are opening the strikes up. Naveen, beautiful leg kick by Santosh there again, but Naveen is answering by jab. Good overhand by Santosh again, followed by left hook. But Naveen is still on the face, constantly trying to attack. Good overhand. Another good overhand by Santosh here again.
Oh, a good
Very good
overhand
overhand
from Santosh.
by Santosh. Santosh is pacing up now, he's moving forward.
And there we go, last 10 seconds of the final round.
Good fight. I think Santosh can take it by edge considering the round 1 was complete domination and round 2 and round 3 where he still had it moments.
Once again, in terms of pure volume, I think Santosh clearly takes it away. We just need to look at how much damage has Naveen done to Santosh.
Hey guys, so we have the winner from red corner via unanimous decision.